Hello from SlideNerd and hello from Weaves. What's up folks? In the last video we guys discussed how to make this Facebook login app. We just made the basic structure over here. In this video let's actually refine this to make it look just like this. Alright, so first let's go and make this Facebook text which you can see at the corner. We can bring it to the center by using an Android Gravity attribute. Let's go and do that over here. So here I have my Facebook text view. I'm gonna simply use an Android Gravity attribute. Layout Gravity is not supported in the relative layout. I've told you guys about this in the first video. So I'm gonna say center over here, and let's see how that looks inside our graphical layout. Okay, that looks good enough. Now before anything, let's put a background color for our relative layout. I'm gonna say background over here. For the relative layout, I'm gonna give it blue color. Alright, 25C hash probably gives a color that looks pretty close. I don't know how good this is, but well, something for now, right? Now again, if you guys see, all your text is in white color. So what we can do is we can have a text color of white, but again we can make a style for that, or we can do it, or we can simply make a text color right over here. So for now I'm gonna stick to putting text colors right over here. I'm gonna say text color. So apply the text color to one of them. Let me actually go ahead and apply the text color to all of them here. Now the recommended approach is to put text colors and information like that inside a styles.xml file and do it, but here again, to keep things simple, I'm not doing that. Now next we need to increase the size of this Facebook text which we see over here, and it's also a small f. So let me go and make that changes over here. I'm gonna simply say small f over here, and I'm gonna say text size, say something like 35 sp, and see how that looks in the graphical layout. Okay, pretty close, but I think a bit too big considering our user interface. 30 sp would do it fine. Alright, so next what we need to have is we need to have this as bolded, because this is probably bolded over here. So let me just put a bold over here by saying text style. I'm going to simply put bold in that text view, the graphical layout over here, and check it out. Okay, now that looks pretty good. And next what we need to do is we need to have this email, the edit text, the password, and this other edit text with some margins on the left and right side, right? You guys can see those margins in effect clearly. So let me go ahead and put margins for each of them. You're supposed to put dimension values inside a dimensions.xml as per standard practices, but for here I'm just gonna stick to pasting stuff inside the main layout. So let me go ahead and paste the margins for everything else over here. So now if you guys see the graphical layout, we have something which is a bit closer, right? Now this need an account, sign up using your phone. Let's make the Android Gravity a center so that it appears at the center, and also give it a margin bottom which you guys can see over here. So I'm gonna say margin bottom for this. So if I go to the graphical layout now, you guys can see that looks pretty good. It says need an account, sign up using your phone. We need to make this text size probably 2 sizes bigger for each of them, but let's give a white background for this edit text over here. And here for the edit text I can have a background color. Alright, so now if you guys take a look, we have something pretty close to what we need, right? Again, for this email and this password field over here, a small padding would do good. So let me actually go ahead and put some padding over here for both of them. Alright, so now things look pretty good. I hope you guys have understood something out of this vid. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to my channel, comment, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next vid. Have a nice day.